In a world where we, people, browse to different headlines, videos, and posts online, some of these might be true and some might be not. There are times that we unconsciously share information that we believe to be true, but turns out to be false and misleading. This is where misinformation starts to spread out. So how can we spot and stop the spread of misinformation? To give you some tips, here's a few reminders to make sure that everything we share is factual and accurate.
First, consider the source. We must check where the information originally comes from. Second, check the date. All news isn't always considered as good news, so it is a must to check the deadline. Third, think critically. If it sounds too wild or too good to be true, then it probably is. Fourth, look deeper. Read beyond the headlines or watch the full video. Pause before sharing. This is the most important step in stopping the spread of misinformation.